Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer that all the insights and opinions shared in this video are based on my own research and personal experiences. This is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Jinshi's Bluetooth wireless headphones. So these headphones are the premium headphones according to their claim, and they're available in 5 different colors, and they cost around $45. And if we look at the three testimonials, they claim that these headphones are same as of the $500 ones, but they haven't specifically mentioned which headphone they are talking about. And if we hover over the description, we'll get to know that they claim the headphones are built in same top tier factories using the same premium materials and strict quality standards as luxury brands, so which means they're claiming that they are according to the premium factory and they are produced in the same factory that produces the $500 headsets. But they also haven't mentioned which factory or company they are talking about. Now let's deep dive into the company's review. So the Jinshis on the Trustpilot has a score of 2.8, which is very low score according to me, and this is only based on 3 reviews, which also raises concern about their authenticity of the company, because only 3% have reviewed this company so far, and the reviews are also not good. So in conclusion, I would say you should only buy these headphones if you don't just want to give it a shot and just want to risk your $45. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document that will help you out to qualify the product and do the research on your own before you buy any other product. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.